for this election.
Joining me now is Karnataka BJP President Mr. B.Y. Vijayendra. Sir, today you have casted your vote. Last time in 2019, Congress had won one seat and you had swept the state. Yes. This time the responsibility is on you. What are your expectations this 2024 election?
See, my cadres, my party workers across the state will not let down the spirit of the people. The spirit of the people is pretty clear. The people of this state wants Narendra Modi ji as a Prime Minister of this country, irrespective of Congress government here in the state, irrespective of people voting Congress party in the last assembly election. But this as parliamentary election, the intent of the voters is clear. They want Modi ji once again. So I am 100% confident the people of the state will bless Bharatiya Janata Party once again.
Sir, your local candidate, Holenarsipura candidate, yesterday Devaraja Gowda demanded a CBI inquiry in this pendrive case, saying the SIT is being dominated by the government, and especially DK Shivkumar, who has released the an audio clip saying DK Shivkumar was the one who circulated the video. How do you see this, sir? That you also demand a CBI inquiry?
Yes, when state government itself has constituted SIT, it will be under the control of SIT. Nobody can deny the fact. But everybody expected fair investigation in this particular episode when it has catched, when entire country is watching this episode. How state government behaves is also very important because justice has to be given to the innocent women in this episode. But the handedness of the state government is pretty clear and it has been coming out, we have been watching that. Even yesterday from this Devaraj press statement, clearly indicate that high-handedness and senior politicians are involved behind the screen in this SIT investigation.
So the Home Minister also has condemned the incident, saying we will never support any crime. Law will take its own course, but stop blaming others.
Especially in this particular episode in the Prajwal Revana case, justice has to be given for the innocent women. And nobody should support in this case. And at the same time, there should be a fair investigation also. Because the way the facts are coming out, there are a lot of pressures on the other people also to come and give witness. And, probably it's taking a political turn day by day.
Thank you so much.